Hello, everybody. I'm Anita, and today I just want to take time out to say how much I appreciate you, all my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for all the donations that you guys have sent to my PayPal. I thank each and every one of you because I couldn't do this and I would not be doing this if it weren't for you. It's all about you and serving you and helping you. And in anything you do, if you want to build it, remember it's about the people. Walmart wouldn't be around if it weren't for the people who go and shop there. I would not be creating content if it weren't for my subscribers and people interested in following and what I have to say. And with that, I am eternally grateful inside. And I love you all, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you so much again for the donations and the subscriptions and everything. And I just felt the need to come on here and thank each and every one of you and tell you how much I love you and how much you are appreciated. God bless you all and have a fantastic day. And I hope all your dreams come true and you manifest a great thing in your life that you've been wanting. I hope that you have unlimited blessings today. And with that, I will leave you with a great big thank you and I love you. God bless you all. Thanks so much. Bye for now.